Hello there and welcome back to my channel for another spooky video. Or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kinsey. Today we are going to be making 4 tiny terrarium lanterns with crystal balls inside of them. The crystal balls, or the glass marbles, were given to me by Leanna. You can check out their channel over at Morgan's Eye. And I picked up these small metal lantern bits from a thrift store for about $3 each. They all have a piece of glass, which I've taken out so I can get all the clay in. And we will be using foam clay, acrylic paint, and UV resin along with fake moss, just like our other terrarium lanterns. We're going to start by putting the foam clay onto the metal. Now once these dry, they won't adhere perfectly to it, so that's why we use the UV resin in order to seal it into place and keep it on the metal, so just keep that in mind. I would wait about 12 hours or so after you put the clay on to let it dry all the way through. Once you do that, take a acrylic paint, because it is water-based, as is the foam clay, so they won't argue or cause any issues for you. Acrylic also dries in about 30 minutes to the touch, so you can seal it right away. My preferred way of sealing has continued to be UV resin. I really feel like I have more control over it, and it is a lot quicker than waiting for a 2-part resin to cure. That's about 24 hours. You risk the chances of everything breaking if you do not seal it at the end. When you're done with this step, you want to go ahead and grab your hot glue gun and your dried moss. This is the preferred moss I'm using for this project. It kind of has a little bit more of a fluffiness, and it's easier to tear up into real fine pieces so that it can give more of a miniature look. Because we are using hot glue guns to adhere all of the moss to it, we need to keep in mind that we have to get the pieces of glass inside. So if we glue it now, we won't be able to get anything in. So what I did is I took this X-Acto knife and I kind of cut it down like a piece of pizza and rolled it back a little bit and gently shoved the pieces of glass on 2 sides rather than the 4, just to save me some time, sanity, and hopefully not break a piece of glass. On 2 sides there were holes that the roof needed to connect into, so those are the 2 pieces that needed to absolutely get pushed down far enough. The other 2 sides, there was plenty of space for it to not be an issue and still be enclosed in the whole box, so that's the way I worked it. The final addition is going to be these little marbles. I'm going to use them as little scrying crystals, giving it that forest core witchy vibe that I am always aiming for. I would love to know what you think about these, if you think I should continue making them, or if you've even tried making them yourself. I would love to see them. Once I finish getting these all fixed in and pieced back together, I can go ahead and clean them up and get them ready. If you are still watching this video, I just wanted to thank you from the bottom of my heart. All of your support really means the world to me and the kiddos, and we couldn't be doing this without you guys. For extra content, we do have a Patreon page going on right now. It is still in the beginning process, and any input or feedback that you have on it would be greatly appreciated. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below in this video. And the moment we've all been waiting for, here's the reveal. Always, thank you for watching the video. If you've enjoyed this content and want to see more, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and that notification bell so you know when we post next. See you next time.